Hi everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for joining me. I'm going to make some tuna pasta. First, we start off with some tuna, any tuna in the can you can get. We have some celery, a medium-sized onions. We have 7 boiled eggs. We're going to boil them, make them hard-boiled eggs. And we have the pasta, and this is the pasta I prefer to use. You can use other pasta if you like. Okay, first we must have the real mayonnaise that tastes really good with this dish. We're going to use adobo, pepper, and also, last but not least, the parsley flakes. So the next time you see me, everyone, I'll be cutting these up and cooking it on top of the stove. Okay, everyone, I just want to show you how I cut this celery up. First, I make a nice cut in the center. My hands are a little wet, and I cut it again fourth. And I like this cut very small. So I do this, and then I bring them together like this. You know, no size like this. I like them very small. Don't worry about slicing it perfectly in the middle. Make sure you just slice it small. Get like this. See this big one? Just slice it small like this. And that's what's next, right? So you just want a nice little crunch when you eat your celery in the salad. But you know, I'm gonna show you how small it is. Make it as tiny as you can, because that's gonna give it that extra kick in the salad. Okay, everyone, we're gonna cut up this egg, and all you gotta do is so simple. I cut it in the middle, and this is how I like to cut the eggs, everybody. I'm just gonna show you one side of the egg, how to cut the egg nice and small. And keep cutting it. Don't be afraid. And look how to cut it, very small. And just cut it slow like this. Because in the salad, you don't want anything big in your salad. Make sure it's really small. You see? There you go. And that's it for the eggs. And I'm gonna cut the rest of the eggs the same size as this. Okay, everyone, the salad is al dente. We're ready to prepare our tuna pasta. All right, first we're gonna start off with the tuna. We're gonna just dump all that in there. Let you see. And then we're gonna start with the celery. Dump that in there. Oh, it smells good. Then we're gonna start the egg, the onions that's finely chopped. We'll put the onions in there. Okay. We're gonna put in the 7 finely chopped eggs. Put that in there. Okay. Then, I like to put this seasoning before I start. Okay, remember I said the parsley? I might just put some more parsley because I'm so crazy about parsley. And adobo. I gotta season it really good. I'm gonna try to see it close up, right? Okay. And lots and lots of pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna open the butt. I'm just gonna pour that pepper in there like this. I want you to see how they look. Okay. And last but not least, don't forget the mayonnaise. I like lots of mayonnaise in my salad. I might add some more a little later, but I like lots of mayonnaise. Don't be stingy with the mayonnaise. Put a lot of mayonnaise in your salad because the mayonnaise brings the extra flavor into this bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get everything out of here. I'm gonna stir all this up. Like this, you stir it gently from the bottom. You don't have to go too fast. Just mix it up gradually. See, continue to mix it. You're going to see all that thing. Just keep mixing to have a good consistency. You see a nice smoothness. Just gently mix the salad. Just toss it over slowly. Okay, we're going to keep tossing this salad to everything together. We're going to keep tossing to even the tuna is nice and ground. We're going to toss all this together. All right, everybody, we're going to toss this for a couple of minutes, maybe for a minute or two, and then you're going to see this all nice and all ready to eat. All right, now you're going to... Hi, everyone. I'm so excited. This is the tuna salad. I can't wait to bite into it. I put some parsley on top and also a little paprika. Oh, okay, I can't wait to get a big bite of this. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so good. You should take this to a picnic with your husband or your friends. I'm telling you, this tuna pasta salad is, oh man, oh, I can't wait to serve it today, everyone. Well, I wish you could taste it. This is another hit. I love all my cooking, but woo! Bursting with flavor. The consistency, the texture of the tuna and the pasta just kaboosh together, and then the eggs, the celery with the mayo, with all that flavor, with the herb from the onion seeds, and then the flavor from the parsley. Oh, and the adobo. Oh my goodness, and the pepper, everything could put, and then the celery, everything just melt in your mouth. Try this and take it on a picnic, or take it on when you go to your family and you need to bring a dish. This is a hit, everyone. Well, that is it. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Until next time, don't forget, we know God is good and God is great, but my favorite word I always like to say, God is so good. Bye-bye. Love you.